Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock your Monzo card. If your card is black, it's likely your account was locked for security. To unblock it, first, open the Monzo app and go to the Home tab. Find the card that blocked and tap Card Details. If you're using Monzo's new layout, tap Card directly. Follow the on-screen steps. You may need to scan your ID and record a quick selfie video. After verification, Monzo will unblock your card and restore access. Remember, Monzo will never ask for your PIN, long card number, or the 3-digit CVV, even their support team. And that's how you unblock your Monzo card. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.